Okay guys, I already showed you how to make the filling for this chicken pot pie, and now we're showing you how to prepare the dough. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and leave me a comment.
Yeah. For the dough, you will need half teaspoon baking powder, 4 cups flour.
Quarter teaspoon salt, and
to the flour, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon olive oil
and a quarter stick
and a quarter stick butter. And before we added salt, sugar, and baking powder, just in case if the camera wasn't on when I started that. Then knead all of that in. Make a little well in the center or dent or whatever you
add the milk.
Add the milk. How much milk is that?
1/3 cup.
1/3 cup milk. Cow's milk.
And half cup.
And a half cup of water. And then mix that all in together. Add 1/3 cup more milk. Turn it out on the table and continue to knead.
You don't want to knead it much.
Don't knead it too much. Knead it, guys, until it becomes dough-like like that. And if you feel you need to add a pinch more water or wet your hands, then by all means do so. Continue to roll the dough until it gets to the desired consistency. Feels like it's turning into a ball. Okay, now cut the crust
a little bit
into
a little bit more than half.
A little bit more than a half, because you're gonna make the top and the bottom of the crust. And then of course you see right here we have the, what kind of paper is that again? Have some wax paper. Have some wax paper there, over there, and you're gonna roll it on the wax paper. Sprinkle a little flour on the wax paper. Sprinkle a little flour on top of the dough as well, so that it doesn't stick. And then you're gonna use your rolling pin and roll it out. You're gonna roll it from side to side because you're trying to get it to the desired length to add to this pie bowl. So you're gonna roll it so that it's thin like that, and then we're gonna match the oh my goodness, what is it? Oh, you're just taking up. That's a good way to take the dough up, and then you are going to just place it in the pie dish. Ingenious way of doing that. Very smart. And use your fingers to work it through to the edges. Good enough. Very nice, very nice. And the bottom piece is complete. Now for the top piece, you're gonna do the same thing. Follow the procedure. Put it between the grease paper and roll it out with the rolling pin. Now we're gonna place it in a 400-degree preheated oven. 375 degrees preheated oven for how many minutes? About 10 minutes. Okay, you're gonna grease. You can use a bag of peas or another pot or something to place in the center of the pie crust so it doesn't so that it does not stick or move. That should help to make sure that the dough is cooked properly. So you place a bag of peas or a pot that fits the area and place it on top of it. Make sure to grease it, and then you put it into your oven to bake. Okay, now we're rolling out the top part to make the crust for the top. And it's going to be the same process like you did for the for the bottom. So I'm not going to show you everything because I guess you already have the idea what's supposed to be done, okay? Okay, so the bottom crust is now out of the oven. And that's the indentation of the pot there. Make it nice and round. Now we're filling in the dough. Trim off any of the pieces if you need to trim them off. Just go around and seal the ends. Pinch the edges to make it real pretty.
So appealing, is it?
It's not quite appealing right now, but I'm telling you, the taste is off the chain. It's delicious. And I tasted both the filling and the crust. And then give it some air holes. Keep going. I'm gonna use the fork to achieve that. Okay, alrighty. It's now ready for the oven. I can't wait to dig now. So it is, the chicken pot pie is ready for the oven. And see, we placed it in a sheet pan. This should have some foil in it, but you know what, anyways. Then we're going to place it in an oven to bake for how many minutes? 375 degrees to how many minutes? For about 20 minutes. See you soon.
Or until it's done.
Or until it's done. This is our finished chicken pot pie. It looks so good and smells even better. In 45 minutes, and that's what it looks like, guys. So nice. Thank you for watching.
So probably the hardest piece to lift out.
Oh, that yummy goodness. Ooh.